Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the Journey Through Apostolic Succession. CCC 882 says, the Pope, Bishop of Rome and Peter's successor, is the perpetual and visible source and foundation of the unity both of the bishops and of the whole company of the faithful. For the Roman Pontiff, by reason of his office as Vicar of Christ and as pastor of the entire Church, has full, supreme and universal power over the whole Church, a power which he can always exercise unhindered. Today we hear about our 191st Pope, that is Pope Nicholas IV. He was the first member of the Order of Saint Clare to become a leader of the Catholic Church. Pope Nicholas had a humble beginning as Jerome Masci of Ascoli. As a friar, he exercised leadership as the Provincial of the Holy Land and then as Minister General of the Order following Bonaventure. Serving as a papal ambassador of Gregory X and Nicholas III, he facilitated dialogue between secular and ecclesiastical leaders, including the Patriarch of the Greek Orthodox Church, when he accompanied Bonaventure to the Second Council of Lyon. In 1278, Pope Nicholas III made him a cardinal. In 1281, Pope Martin IV promoted him to Cardinal Bishop of Palestine. After 10 years as a distinguished cardinal, Jerome Masci was elected to lead the Church. He began his pontificate as Nicholas IV in 1288, quickly developed the first coherent policy of governing the Papal States. He commissioned his confreres, friars Jacopo Camarino and Giacomo Torriti, to mosaic the apse of St. John Lateran and St. Mary Major in Rome. Pope Nicholas sent the Franciscan missionary Giovanni da Montecorvino to Kublai Khan's court, which led to establishment of the first Roman Catholic Church in China. He also sent missionaries, mostly Franciscans, to the Balkans and the Middle East. Pope Nicholas issued a constitution granting the cardinals half the income accruing to the Holy See, plus a hand in the financial management of the Vatican that paved the way for the College of Cardinals to become independent. In 1290, he issued a new bull against the Apostolic, various Christian sects that sought to re-establish the life and discipline of the primitive church by a literal observance of continence and poverty. Pope Nicholas IV died on April 4, 1292, in Rome and was buried inside the papal palace that he built. About 2 years after his death, Saint Celestine V was elected as his successor. Thank you all for listening. Stay tuned for the next episode. Please like, share, and spread the word to everyone. For Christ and for the Church, God bless you all.